How to turn off your Android phone tracking you and it listening. Hi everyone, I'm Jesus today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open settings on your device. Here, scroll down and click on Google. After you click on Google in here, it will lead you to this page. Click on all services. Scroll down to privacy and security. Here, click on personalize using shared data. And if these are turned on, make sure you turn off device contacts, external media, maps, and Gmail. And another thing what you can do is go to uses and diagnostics and turn this off as well. After you've done that, go to system services, and if there is any tracking options, you can simply turn it off here as well. And for ads, you can do the same. You can turn it off. And after you do this, you're good to go. This is how to turn off your Android phone tracking you and listening you. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.